Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. So our lesson today is going to be maths lesson today is going to be finding the tens between the number. Okay, so I'll find the worksheet that we are going to be doing today. It's not that one. You did that one yesterday. Silly Mrs. Cochran. It is, where is it? Here. Okay, so you've got some warm-up questions first, which is finding 10 more and 10 less than each of these numbers, okay? Right. After you've done that, so you don't need to do that now, I just want to talk through the questions. My number is 24. What are the tens this number is between? So find 24 on a number line. What are the tens either side of this number? 24 is between 20 and 30. So let's have a look at this. I'm going to send this link for this number line as well today for you all. It is going to be, so it's called MathSpot, and it is, you can use a number line on it, okay, that I'm going to share with you, and you can have your own number line, okay? Okay, so when you get to this part, it will have what you want you to start your number line at. So I want you to start your number line at 0, and I want you to end it at 0, not 0, at 100, and I want you to have it in partitions of 10. Okay, so you should have 0, 100, and 10. And then your number line will look like this between 0 and 100. And what you can see here, you notice, is it is counting in tens. That will help us with our number line work, okay? So I'm going to tell you now to find a number, okay? When you find that number, you're going to tell me what is the number between what tens are between that number, okay? So if Mrs. Cochran said to you, can you find number 35? So you need to estimate where you would put 35 on that number line, okay? Okay. 35. So if I was estimating where 35 was, I would say it's bigger than 30 and it's smaller than 40. So I'm going to put 35 right in the middle here. So I can see here that the tens between 35 are 30 and 40, aren't they? The tens between 35 are 30 and 40. So let's have a look at our questions now, okay? Right, let's have a look. Draw a number line up to 100 in tens, okay? So you can also draw that number line like we have just seen there, like Mrs. Cochran. Then I would like you to find the tens between these numbers. Now you can use your own number line here that you've done, or you could also use the number line that Mrs. Cochran has just shown you here. Okay, that's a really good way, and then your grown up at home can just keep asking you questions after question. Can you find me number 75 on the number line? Where would you estimate that 75 goes on that number line? What are the tens between 75? Well done. The tens between it are 70 and 80, aren't they? Tens between the number 70 and 80. It's really good is these number lines for just, we can talk about how many tens are in each number, how many ones are in each number. So it's just a really good way to understand numbers and how we can find them on a number line, okay? So that's what I'd like you to do today, is to do lots of that. And then there are these questions here. Complete the table. What are the tens between this number, okay? So Mrs. Cochran, the number in the middle, I want you to find the tens either side of these numbers, okay? And then you've got a job. You can write your own number sentence here for question 3. It says, choose any number and write a sentence. Blank is between blank and blank, okay? That is your job for today, okay? So lots of number work, lots of oh, what's happening to my computer? Lots of practicing with that, okay? And I will send the link for this maths work as well. so you can practice on the interactive number line as well today. Have a go at that. Have a fantastic day with your learning today. Your English is a little bit longer today, but you've got a phonics play to do, a phonics activity, and yeah, your English is a little bit longer. There's 2 videos for English, so that might take you a bit longer today to do. But have a lovely day, everybody, and I cannot wait to see. And I just wanted to say that I am absolutely blown away by all the work that everybody keeps sharing. Those cakes that you are making, amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased that you've watched that video and thought, oh, I'm going to do some baking. And it doesn't matter if you haven't got a chance to do it, but I'm just really pleased that you're responding to the work that I'm setting you. It's making me feel really happy, really, really so happy. So thank you, everybody, for doing that. And yeah, just have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely half term as well. I've just realised I'm videoing this on Wednesday, but you'll be watching it on Friday, so it's ready. Time for your holidays now, isn't it? So get your work done today, and then that's it. Put your work away somewhere safe. Keep it all safe, because we'll need it after half term. So we'll need your English work. We will need the work that you do for that. Okay, so keep it all safe. So we've got it when we come back to doing our lessons on Monday, the 22nd of February. Have a lovely time, everybody, and I shall see you in a week online. See you later. Bye, everyone.